Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look again on the Forex market. So yesterday we've got very important numbers on gross domestic product. When we see these numbers, you should keep in mind and recall that United States statistics right now is strongly manipulated. And if official data shows drop, or let's better say decrease in gross domestic product based 1.6%, it means that in reality the situation probably stands significantly worse. Here is also another moment to understand that the stock market, that actually performance of the stock market is getting inside of the gross domestic product value, and it has raised in the first quarter for approximately 12.75%. So even with the growth of the stock market, you could see that the gross domestic product pace slowing down. Here's very interesting how it relates to in relation between the rising of the budget deficit in the United States and gross domestic product results. This is a very important topic, and we will cover it in our weekly report, so you will better understand why these numbers is really, I would call it kind of the epic numbers. It's just because it is, as I suggested, it might be the first sign and really big sign that the United States economy is going on the way of the stagflation, when the high rate from the Fed is already starts slowing down the economy. The financing that's providing due to increasing of the budget deficit gives very low effect in production in the gross domestic product, while inflation is keep rising. So together, this is stagflation, is a simultaneous slowdown of the economy and significant rising of the inflation. This is a very bad way for economy. So it means that the higher rates already start making impact on the slowdown on the gross domestic product on the economy. So this explains some positive reaction on dollar rivals. You could see what's going on in the euro currency. Gold market is also moving with our daily trading plan, and 10-year yields keep going higher. So currently, I wouldn't call it yet as a breaking of the major tendency here. It's major downside tendency. But at the same time, today we will get the personal consumption expenditure. So let's see what will happen there. If it will be some increasing of the PCE index, so it just confirms what I'm speaking about. But at the same time, I wouldn't hurry up with taking the short position right now. I would watch for a next step and reaching at least of the intraday target and see what will happen. So yesterday in general everything was going on the best case scenario for us, because if we take a look at the market performance, we have talked about the possible drop right from this area 107.40, 107.45, and this drop was standing approximately for 60 pips. So it was really good reaction on the data release, and more than enough to move stops to the break even. So let's say it was really very fast, had been reversed up, but still that's absolutely bring no hurt or possible for those who have taken the short position around this area. Now let's take a look. We have a few moments. First, market is forming the grabber. Here is a kind of the, well, I wouldn't call it as a rejection of price, and something like the bullish engulfing pattern, which also suggests that it might be a bit stronger upward action here. Besides, on the gold market, price has not reached yet the minimum target of the bullish pattern. So there is also suggested some upward action, which in the cross-market analysis also could mean that euro currency will try to move slightly higher. So on an hourly chart, That's the level that actually we intend to keep an eye on. This is XOP 1 or 753 of this ABCD pattern. If it will be completed, we will get some kind of the XOP guidance triple to sell. And this level stands very close to this resistance cluster. So take a look, we have some multiple levels in an area between 1 or 750, 1 or 775 right there after the strong thrust. Overall upward action here is also doesn't look like something really thrusty. So it's relatively gradual, which doesn't let us to suggest that this is already some breaking of the bearish tendency. Markets are reversing in an upward direction. It's too early to speak about this. So from that standpoint, personally, I wouldn't consider yet to take in any long position. For a short entry, yes, it could move slightly higher. Let's wait for consumption expenditures numbers, touching of the XOP, and probably it's already on the next week. We'll make the decision what to do next.